Good afternoon, everyone, respected members of World Senate Debate, judges, and everyone present here. Myself, Valay Jain, and they are our team members, Ishant, Priyanshu, and Amber. Today, we are representing Afghanistan. Next will be Ishant.
1999 marks the day Afghanistan gained freedom from British control. Let honor the courage and the relation peoples. The tricolor flag, the internationally recognized Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, consists of three vertically strips, black, red, and green, with the national emblem at the center in white.
Afghanistan development challenges are complex and multifaceted. There are some key reasons: political instability, weak governments and corruptions, lack of effective institution and rule of law, power struggle and frustration. Second, economic challenges. Limiting trade and connectivity depend on foreign aid, approx 40% of GDP. Limited in economic diversification, mainly agriculture and natural resources. Social and cultural issue, limited access to education and health, traditional and conservative social norms. International factor, global politics and geopolitical interests. Economic sections and restrictions. Natural factor, climate and geopolitical communities, desert, waters, scarcity and drought. These interconnected factors have hindered Afghanistan development. Next will be Wale.
Most women wear hijab and chadar, so covering dome wear a chanderi, better known is the West as burqa. In a few places like Kabul, Western dress like jeans and often worn. Now next will be Ishant.
Our supportive country: first United States, second Australia, third Japan, etc. Our friendly country India, and our conflict country Pakistan. Next will be Valaya.
Official language Pashto and Dari. Afghanistan is divided into 34 provinces, population approximately 39.2 million people, 2024 estimate. Capital Kabul, currency Afghan Afghani, area 6,52,860 square meter, 2,52,420 square meter.
Festivals. Now some festivals are there in Afghanistan. Nowruz, New Year. Eid al-Fitr, end of Ramadan. Asura, Day of Asura. Afghan Independence Day. Herat Festival. Eid al-Adha, Feast of Sacrifices. Provinces. Afghanistan is divided into 34 provinces, vilayats, not states. These provinces are further subdivided into districts, jilas, and then into villages, des like Herat, Kabul, Jabul, etc. Nicknames. Afghanistan has several nicknames including the land of the Afghans, official name, the land of poetry and music, the land of brave.
Peace, stability, and cooperation. Now I am asking help to the country India. Economic development, humanitarian aid, capacity building, regional connectivity. Thank you.